In this video, we're going to show you how to shop available inventory. This is what a farmer has readily available right now in their inventory that you can go ahead and add to cart and buy it. Now, keep in mind, anything more than a week out, we're going to really recommend that you just utilize the wish list so that the farmer gets a notification and then they can plan ahead, because we know that you're not typically waiting until the week of to buy your flowers. But just know that the distinction between inventory and projection harvest is what is actually available in their cooler right now, what the farmer has updated in their cooler right now compared to what is going to be blooming later. Some farmers are going to have open shopping hours for wholesale on certain days, and you can browse the inventory before you even leave your house. Or you can just do the projected harvest a week in advance, or 3 weeks in advance, or months in advance.